So what is Monday.com? Is it a good software for managing projects? Does it even justify the price tag? Well, I'm going to cover all that in this video. This is the review of the Monday.com. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you would like to check out the Monday.com, you can head to the first link down below in the description. First of all, let's address what is Monday.com and why we should give a thing. The most important part of any business is to keep track of everything. We need to stay up to date with everything we are doing in our business. Doesn't matter if we are the owner of the business or a team leader, what is in, what is out, how much project is completed, what are the sales, order updates, revenue updates. All this data has to go somewhere so that we have a bird's eye view and we can see everything in detail if required. As an entrepreneur, some of us have good skills in managing data and some of us have everything scattered, including me. I was an avid user of Notion, but I found it to be limiting. So we need a dedicated program which can help us in keeping track. Luckily, there are softwares like Task, Asana, Basecamp, TeamGant, etc. And today we are talking about the Monday.com. But if you want me to review any other programs, please do let me know in the comments down below. So we are now logged into our account and we can see the workspace. Now this could be a bit scary for some, but we will get to this. Before that, let's see how we can navigate. From the left side, we have navigation access like notifications, inbox, tasks assigned, and at the bottom we have search and settings. Now getting back to the workspace, it will show us the latest board that we were working on. From the top we can change the view like Gantt chart and the Kanban view. Or we can even add a view. The integrations and automation on this project are on the left and filters are down here. Each project has a list of tasks that can be organized in any way. To add a new task, click on the add button and add it here. And if you want to add a new project, click this add button here and add a new board or choose from the template. To find something within all the projects, we can search here, and to search within the project, we get the option here. Now all this could be a bit confusing at first because there are a lot of buttons and menus, but after you use it for a few hours, you will get a hang of it and it will be a lot easier and smooth to operate. Features. Talking about the features I like the most about Monday.com, there are a lot of views which can be viewed so that we can view each project the best way possible, like main table timeline, map, etc. And we can create and customize these in a way we like. We can also make a form that we can share with others. Time tracking is also a very helpful feature, like we can start and stop the timer and see the total time of each project. Just to mention, we can also add sessions manually. Alongside with time tracking, we can head here and select the column summary and see the total time. For any project management software, the dashboard is essential. So here on the dashboard, we can see all the information about the projects. The dashboard is very flexible and we can add or remove these widgets. Last but not least, we have working status. So from here, we can let the team members know that we are not available. Here we can also turn do not disturb mode as well. Customization. Talking about the customization, these project management programs are very customizable. We can change things around. There are multiple workspaces that we can set for each type of project. Inside we have folders, projects and dashboards. Then we have diversity of views that we can change. That gives us a better understanding of each type of project. We can select these views or we can add a new from here. If we want to add the description of the projects so that the clients can see, then it goes here. On the grouping side, we can group these units or tasks together, as well as we can add custom columns. And as soon as you click on the columns, we can see that there are tons of column types. I haven't seen so many column types in any other project management software. To make things faster while creating a new project, we can use templates. There are tons of templates to choose from, or we can make our own. Automations. Now let's talk about the automation options. Here are a lot of automation to choose from. We can see that there are pre-made automation for almost every task. In the automation center, we can find all the categories like notifications, status change, reoccurring, etc. We also get the option to make a custom one. On the board automation tab, we can see all the automation related to the project. It is worth mentioning the automation is made at project level, so we need to create new automation when we create new projects. But if we make a project template, then the automations would be there. Integrations are also important for a lot of users, as we would like to integrate services with our projects. Here is the list of apps like Slack, MailChimp, Trello, Microsoft Teams, etc. If the integration we are looking for is not on the list, then we can add it via Zapier. Again, these integrations would be at project level, so we would need to make new integrations for each new project. The second part of the integration is the apps. We can access the marketplace here and install apps. Now you may note that some are free and some require monthly subscription. Setting up the profile is not that hard. Yes, it will take some time to make all the templates and automation, but after that it is an easy software to use. Also, there is a lot of documentation on the web which can help you in setting everything up. Now coming down to the price of Monday.com, it has 5 plans: individual, basic, standard, pro and enterprise. So the individual plan is free with up to 2 seats, and then it is $8, $10, $16 per seat respectively. The minimum amount of seats required is 3, so it will cost $24, $30 and $48 a month if billed annually. The pricing is comparable to other programs in the market like Trello and Asana, etc. So in my opinion, the standard and pro plans are the ones which are worth it. You get all the views, 20 GB and 100 GB of storage, time tracking and a lot more. You can see all the differences from the first link down below in the description. But if you are a beginner, then you can also try the individual plan, which is free, as there is nothing to lose. See if that works for you and upgrade from there. But if you think Monday.com is the right fit for you, then you can start with standard or pro plan right away. Anyways, if you want to check it out, then you can sign up from the first link in the description. But that's been it, guys. That was my review of the Monday.com. Hope you guys found it helpful, and if it was, then click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.